A well-chosen pillow can significantly enhance your sleep quality and overall well-being. With countless options available, finding the perfect pillow can be a daunting task. To assist you in your search, we've meticulously curated the top-down pillows on the market. We've considered factors such as fill power, construction, comfort, durability, and price to ensure that our recommendations are both reliable and valuable. Whether you're a side sleeper, back sleeper, or stomach sleeper, seeking a hypoallergenic option, or simply desire the ultimate in comfort, we have got you covered. Here goes our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description. Number 10. Puredown Goose Feathers and Down Pillows Set of 2. Indulge in luxury with the Puredown Goose Feathers and Down Pillows. This set of 2 standard-size pillows, 20 by 26 inches, combines 95% goose feathers and 5% goose down for a medium-firm density that cradles your head comfortably. The gusseted design enhances support, while the elegant diamond lattice quilting and cord brown piping add a touch of hotel-like sophistication to your bedding. Encased in a 100% cotton cover, these pillows are soft, breathable, and gentle on the skin. The double fabric lining and meticulous stitching prevent feather leakage, ensuring long-lasting durability. Ethically sourced materials guarantee quality and peace of mind. Number 9. Amazon Basics Down Alternative Pillows. Experience exceptional comfort with Amazon Basics Down Alternative Pillows, designed to enhance your sleep. This set includes 2 standard-size pillows, 26 by 20 inches, crafted with a soft density, making them ideal for stomach and back sleepers. The 100% polyester microfiber shell offers a soft yet durable exterior, complete with edge piping for added strength. Filled with a down alternative, these pillows are perfect for allergy sufferers, providing a hypoallergenic option without compromising on plushness. Number 8. Garnet Hill Signature White Down Pillow. For a truly plush and comfortable sleep experience, the Garnet Hill Signature White Down Pillow is a must-have. Its luxurious feel, adjustable firmness options, and high-quality construction make it a standout choice. Whether you're a side, back, or stomach sleeper, this pillow offers a personalized and supportive sleep experience. The pillow's fill is made of 600 to 650 fill power white down, ensuring exceptional softness, warmth, and loft. The pillow is also available with a gusset for added height, providing extra support for side sleepers. Number 7. Bafode Store Goose Feathers Down Pillows Set of 2. Elevate your sleep experience with Bafode Store Goose Feathers Down Pillows. This set of 2 standard-size pillows, 18 by 26 inches, features a premium fill of 90% gray goose feathers and 10% goose down, offering a blissful balance of softness and support. Each pillow is designed with a gusseted edge, providing medium-firm support that aligns with the natural curvature of your spine, making it ideal for side, back, and stomach sleepers. Encased in a 100% cotton cover with a 233 thread count. Number 6. Brooklinen Down Pillow. If you're a stomach sleeper in search of a soft and plush pillow, the Brooklinen Down Pillow is an excellent choice. Its thin profile and soft texture provide gentle support without compromising comfort. Whether you're looking for a pillow to cradle your head or simply to cuddle with, the Brooklinen Down Pillow is a luxurious and comfortable option. The pillow's fill is made of a blend of down and feathers, providing a soft and supportive feel. The pillow's 100% cotton sateen cover is incredibly soft and breathable. The pillow's thin profile is ideal for stomach sleepers, ensuring that your head and neck are properly aligned. Number 5. Casper Down Pillow. Designed with back sleepers in mind, the Casper Down Pillow offers a supportive and comfortable sleep experience. Its 5-chamber design evenly distributes the fill, while its loft is perfect for those who prefer a slightly firmer pillow. With its high-quality materials and durable construction, the Casper Down Pillow is a reliable choice for a restful night's sleep. The pillow's outer chambers are filled with 80% white duck down and 20% feather, providing a supportive and comfortable feel. The inner chambers are filled with 60% white duck down and 40% feather, offering added support and structure. The pillow's 5-chamber design ensures that the fill is evenly distributed, preventing the pillow from becoming lumpy or uneven. Number 4. DOWNLITE 3-in-1 Adjustable White Goose Down Pillow. For those seeking ultimate customization, the DOWNLITE 3-in-1 Adjustable White Goose Down Pillow is a game-changer. Its pillow-in-a-pillow design allows you to adjust the firmness to your preference, ensuring optimal neck support. Whether you prefer a soft, medium, or firm pillow, this versatile option caters to your individual needs. The pillow's outer shell is made of a soft, breathable cotton, providing a comfortable and luxurious feel against your skin. The inner pillow is filled with high-quality white goose down, offering exceptional softness and support. The pillow's adjustable design allows you to customize the height and firmness to your preference, ensuring optimal comfort and support. Number 3. Cuddledown 800 Fill Power European Goose Down Sateen Pillow. For side sleepers seeking plush support, the Cuddledown 800 Fill Power European Goose Down Sateen Pillow is a dream come true. Its high fill power and soft cotton cover ensure a luxurious and supportive sleep experience. Whether you have a larger frame or simply crave the plush feel of down, this pillow is a must-have. The pillow's 800 Fill Power European Goose Down is renowned for its exceptional softness, warmth, and loft. The down is carefully selected and processed to ensure the highest quality. The pillow's 450 thread count cotton sateen cover is incredibly soft and breathable. The sateen weave adds a subtle sheen and a smooth, silky texture. Number 2. FluffCo Down Pillow. Offering exceptional value, the FluffCo Down Pillow combines the softness of down with the support of feathers. Its 2-layer design provides a comfortable and supportive sleep experience without breaking the bank. While it may not be as luxurious as some other options, its affordability and quality make it a compelling choice for budget-conscious sleepers. The pillow's outer layer is filled with soft, fluffy down, providing a luxurious and cloud-like feel. The inner layer is filled with feathers, offering added support and structure. This combination creates a pillow that is both comfortable and supportive, ideal for sleepers who prefer a firmer feel. The pillow's fill is responsibly sourced and available in both soft and firm options. The pillow is also machine washable, making it easy to keep clean and fresh. Number 1. Parachute Home Down Pillow. Indulge in the ultimate luxury with the Parachute Home Down Pillow. This exceptional pillow combines the softness of European down with a durable, double-stitched cotton sateen shell. Its multiple firmness options cater to various sleeping positions, ensuring optimal comfort and support. Whether you're a side, back, or stomach sleeper, the Parachute Home Down Pillow offers a truly personalized sleep experience. The pillow's European down fill is renowned for its exceptional softness, warmth, and durability. The 85% down cluster composition provides a luxurious and cloud-like feel, while the 15% down and feather fibers offer added support and structure. The double-stitched hem prevents feather leakage, ensuring a clean and comfortable sleep environment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.